Hello YouTube, we're gaming. We got the thing, we got the guy. We got the thing, we got the guy. Nintendo Switch 2, let's go. I've been known to game Valorant at a high level of Gold 3, so gaming's not really a new thing to me. So we got the Switch 2 though. Shout out, we're gonna farm it for content. It actually has some sick sounds, like the UI sounds are really clean. And can we talk about that breakbeat on that launch trailer? But yeah, we got it. We're gonna flip some of these noises that this little guy makes. Enjoy the video. I appreciate you. I stream every Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. So pull up, pull up. This is actually the Bish Battle finale of the season 1. Let's freaking go. I love you. And like the video, sub, whatever you wanna do. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video. The sounds are clean, low key. Anyways, UI sounds, let's go. Oh. You could do anything with this battle, I feel. The sounds are sick. I also will include the launch trailer. Listen to this breakbeat though. Ooh.
Let's go!
You get the idea. Not gonna play the whole thing. There it is, chat. This will be the final elo that you will have. So I guess I'm gonna go to here and we'll check out the leaderboard currently. See what's popping, who's in first. We got Vide in first, chat, at 1550. Bro is farming these reds. Doesn't have a win though. Saver in second, 1525. Every single month I drop a sample pack on Patreon. Samples that I used, predominantly EDM focused, but there's a lot of other style of stuff as well. Here's the latest one. Samples that I use a lot, samples that I custom made. That's not where the Patreon benefits end though. Yes, sample packs every month. There's also every single project file for every single Bish battle that I make. Every Ableton project file, but also the stems too. So if you're not in Ableton, you can go in and like just grab the samples if you want and mess with them. I also drop a bunch of other stuff on there, and I hope to see you at the Patreon. It's the best way to support me. I appreciate it. Thank you. Back to the video. I Don't Know climbed crazy because I feel like I Don't Know doesn't participate in all of them, but they won 3, so they're in, you know, 7th. Luca, low-key, Luca climbing. This will be the final battle, so we'll see where the elo lay, and then we're gonna have a little bit of an elo reset of like maybe 100 elo for season 2. You drop 100 going into season 2 is what I'm trying to say. All right, we're in. This has to be like the snare that I use, low-key. That's so sick. Wait, all right, let's build a little loop with these noises. Is this E? This noise? I think that's their sound philosophy, E, chat. They like E. Because I know that Riot loves D. Pause. Okay. Feel like it'd be sick just to keep it super simple. Wait. Real. Wake noise. So this one isn't an E actually. We're using this snap for sure as like the main snap. It's just totally the freaking vibe. But less verb on it probably. All right, let's add a 808. I don't use 808s too much. I want to use one today. Okay. Let's make some fills with the sounds. UI sounds, where are you? Yeah, you already know, dude. Love it. All right, delay. We need like a perk or something. Just going like shh, shh, shh. Be that maybe. Let's add a bass here that goes like wom 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 or some shit. Bum bum. All right. Little bit of this, little bit of that. Ooh, what about on the first hit, brother? That's hard. ODG. Could have this Nintendo thing at the end again. Hold on, duplicate that. Like this, that. Maybe a glass hit. Alright, I'll do a reverb throw. Do a little bit of this. Longer. Alright, let's say it. Let's try a different sound here. What other sounds we have? Wait. Someone's gonna make a host song with that guitar, I swear to God. Wait, it's got a 6 stab though. Hold up. We go full time here. I don't know. Maybe not. We need like another hat though. Hold up, chat. Wait, that's gonna be hard for the intro. Kinda hard. Pretty close to done. Hey, chat. Chat's a glazing if you say nice song.
Bishu.
Drums. More, dude, more. All right, YouTube, this is what I made. Here we go. Shout out Mario, shout out Luigi, shout out Waluigi especially. I'm trying to suckle on those legs. I'm trying to cut one of them off and put them on the barbecue this summer and make a... anyway, let's play it.
Bishu.
It's like the ending when it was like, thanks chat, I appreciate it. Here we go. All right, chat, let's get it. Holy shit! That was sick. I don't know. That hit. That was crazy. Red. You know what, chat? Since YouTube always gets mad at me for being biased, I'm gonna put the chat that I use in front of the name. So I will not be able to know who's being played. Here we go. I can't see who's being played now. Better, better? Blind ranking. I have no idea who's being played now, alright? Maybe I'll do this from now on. That was chill. It's kind of fun, actually. Good idea, team. Actually, text him that or something. That's fire, actually. Yeah, that's beautiful. This coat. It's gotta be visor, right? The hell? Venica. You. Oh! I'm looking over. Ew. Nasty. Look at that red, actually.
This time you're in, you'll never get back. Sand slipping through your fingers, losing moments through the cracks. It's not a thing to stress about. You made it, you've arrived. It's the season one finale. What a time to be alive.
Oh, the melody. I'll try to guess. I have no idea.
Hours of my life stomping Koopas.
Sick, dude. Who's that? It's a two-hollis. Love. This is Wags? Some of the mix sound. It is. I looked over it. Ivy. Chat. More. want to give that last one an orange, actually. Because it was well made.
Let's go!
Whoa! Who's that? Holy loud. This is fine. I love Luca. You're nasty. What? Okay. What the fuck is this? This fucking Chuko? Like, what? Space Hero already I know. Come on, England. It's gotta be, I don't know. I don't know with the big W. Let's hit it. Showed it everybody what came to the battle. Every red, everybody. Here we go. I don't know. Well-deserved. Cracked producer. Chat, GG's. Let's check out the leaderboard. Final look at the leaderboard before season 2. Vide still leads the diamond, the only diamond. Flat, Saver, Roy, Luca, Phasero. I don't know. Right there at the 4th win. By far the most wins. Wags, Totebag, Geef, Roshi, Samplex, Izu, Fucksmank, Egidius, Off-Air, Wisley, Billy, Alpzone, Ben, Satrum. There it is. Come through the Twitch. My song will be on Patreon if you want to dissect it, steal everything, do whatever you want with the project file. It will be on Patreon and the stems. If you're in like FL and you want to take the sounds as well, we'll be on there. I upload all the Bish battles to Patreon, so lock in. I also stream Tuesday, Thursday, Friday on Twitch. So come through.
Come through to the Twitch. You won't.